Hi everybody, it's Jen Scheimer. How are you? I thought I would do a face up and face down camera today. I have finished my November Project Grateful, so I'm excited about that and I'm excited to show it to you. All right, so we're gonna try to turn the camera at the same time. All right, here I go. All righty, let me see how that looks. Looks good to me, though hold on one second while I make a couple minor adjustments. There we go. That should be better. Alrighty, okay, here we go. So this is from Traci Reed. She had decided to do this one. What I did was I took a lot of different pieces from many different creators, and I did, the guest check is from Kelly Bangs. This is from Larissa, and I did every single day on each side of the tag. So that was actually really fun. There's room on this side for day 3 and 4. And then I flipped it over. This is day 5 and day 6, 7 and 8. And this album was made out of paper bags, like the lunch bags. You can kind of see what I did. There is a tutorial on this on my YouTube and also on Traci Reed's YouTube. So that's 9 and 10. I used one of her collections, and then I used Larissa's, and then I used some Kelly Bang stuff. Lots of different things, but I tried to also put the date on every single one, so that was kind of fun. All the different colors, they kind of all work together really well. This is Cocoa Daisy. So that was really fun to kind of mix and match everything. And I really like this because it was easy. What I did was I did the bases, and then I put these down, and then I did the stickers on the day. So that was pretty easy to do that way. So I wouldn't have to do a lot on the day. I recommend that a lot. This is November 17th and 18th. That's a Kelly Bangs collection person. 19 and 20. Kind of fun, right? But it was very easy to keep up with this. I did get behind a little bit, and then I just worked on it for a little bit. 21, 22. This is 23, 24. These are some of Traci Reed's papers that are printables, which was really fun. And then 25, 26. And then 27, 28. And then in the back here also, I have my last 2 days. So these are some of Kelly Bangs as well. And I really just love this, this entire project. I mean, I love doing it every year. I could do it daily, but I just don't know if I have the wherewithal to do it daily. I mean, I try to be grateful daily, but doing this project daily, I kind of look forward to this for November. So that is it. So, and this is something I got off Etsy. Cute little sweater. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.